Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Amardin bin Zahrim. My metric number AA200611 and my group members, which is
Nordiana Sufia binti Rosli. My metric number is AA200621.
Nurul Alia Balkis binti Abdul Halim, and my matrix number is AA201129.
Nur Farisha Irwayu binti Mustafa, matric number AA200568.
Ahmad Mirza bin Masliza, my number metric is 200595.
are going to present about a platform, which is Quizlet, that can be used to improve our English. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
So today I am going to present about the introduction of Quizlet. Okay, so what is Quizlet? Quizlet is an application that allows students to study online at home. Okay, so due to pandemic COVID-19, it is much more easier for students and even teachers or lecturers to use Quizlet application for them to use these apps as a learning tools. This application is worldwide, which means every country in this world can use the application without any limits. And what is good about Quizlet is that we can download these apps at any devices such as laptop, computer, iPad or even smartphone. And for sure, students can use and can download this app for free. The most important part about Quizlet is that they don't only use this app for learning only, okay? They change their learning way in providing games such as using flashcards so that students would be more attracted to this application. Okay, that's all for the introduction. Thank you.
This is tutorial how to use Quizlet. The first step is you need to sign up. You can continue with Google, Facebook or email and fill this to sign up. I have an account, so I just need to log in with my Google account. A lot of that you can learn from Quizlet. When you go to Asset, you can see Study and Play Mode button. Let's see flashcard first. Flashcards are great for basic review, with options for zooming in on images, shuffling the order in which terms are presented, starring cards to focus on, and last, listening to audio.
Hand.
The second button is Learn. Learn creates an adaptive study plan that will guide students from basic to mastering. You need to choose the answer and type the answer here. The third is Write. Write prompts you with the term and you must type in the corresponding definition. The fourth is Pen. With spell, you will listen to the term being read aloud and see the definition, and you have to type what I hear.
Shoulder.
The fifth is test. Test have 4 question types. First is written. Second is matching question. Third is multiple choice question. And last, true or false question. The last button is match. Let's start game. You can play again and challenge a friend. That's all from me. I hope this video can help you to improve English skill. Enjoy with Quizlet. Thank you.
Highlight and the important features of Quizlet is when students go to a set, there will be 7 study mode buttons. Each of those is different way to practice the material in a set. The first one is Learn. It is a study plan that will guide students from basic review to mastering. The second one is Flashcards. This feature allows students to view flashcards on computer or mobile phone. So now, students have access to thousands of terms at the touch of their fingers. The next one is Write. It may be one of the most challenging on Quizlet since students will have to remember the term and type it correctly to match the definition. Next, we have Spell. This tool is designed to help students improve their spellings. Students have to type what they hear in order to answer it correctly. The fifth feature is Test. Test is created to be set up like a normal assessment. There are 4 different questions, which is written, matching, multiple choice, and true or false. Next, we got match. You must drag or click the term, which is scramble along with others. You are competing against yourself and classmates for the fastest time. If you answer incorrectly, there will be time penalty. The last one is Gravity. This game forces students to think fast in order to keep advancing to the next level. Students are rewarded with more points for how fast they answer correctly.
I highly recommend all students to use this platform Quizlet in learning activities. This is because this platform have many benefits to each of its users. One of the benefits is Quizlet can improve our English language skills. This is because this platform have several games including grammar, spelling, translation and vocabulary in various forms such as pictures that can add interest to users. In addition, the instructor can also create a test for their student. This platform can be used anywhere because it can be downloaded in the phone and laptop. Thus, we can use it anytime and anywhere. Furthermore, this platform can be strengthen user understanding in English. This is the reason why I would recommend this platform for anyone.
As a conclusion, Quizlet is one of the best platforms that can improve our English, especially in writing, listening, reading, and grammar. Why did I say so? Firstly, it will not burn a hole in our pocket because even with Quizlet free access, we will still be able to use most of the features. Secondly, we will be able to study effectively according to our preferred style due to the multiple features that Quizlet can offer, such as flashcard, spell features, and write features. Other than that, we will be able to evaluate ourselves by taking the quiz according to our preferred style. If you prefer to take the exam style quiz, then you can choose for the test. But if you prefer to be more relaxed and gaming style, then you can choose for gravity, match, and Quizlet live. Last but not least, we can have fun while learning and improving our English language skills. As we know that one of the best part in learning language are not only to have a mastery of a language, but to enjoy the process and gain experience as we go forth. Therefore, enjoy! So that's all for the presentation. Thank you for spending your precious time by watching our video presentation, and I hope we both will get a benefit from our little sharing. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye!